Sweet stories.
Once in a village, there lived a soldier who had a horse and a donkey. He used the horse to fight on the battlefield and the donkey to carry all the goods. Soldier took good care and affection on the horse but did not give any attention towards the donkey. They fed horse with green grass and grains and gave the poor donkey the straw grass. If the horse is sick, doctor was invited to look it. But if the donkey was sick, they didn't even mind about it. As the soldier paid so much attention towards the horse did not even mind the donkey. One day, the donkey felt very tired and went to its shed to take some rest. There came the horse and told, "Your life is all about carrying goods and working." But the donkey did not take it as serious. Again the horse started, "Comparing to you, I do lot of work than you. The soldier takes care of me well, but no one is minding you." The tired donkey listened to it and kept again quiet. Next day, again the tired donkey came to its place to take some rest. Horse came there and started telling, "Today I went with soldier to the playground. What did you do?" "Today I went to the forest and brought lot of woods." Ha ha ha. Did you notice the difference between us? I am much better than you. The donkey thought itself, there will be a time for me to show off. Again the donkey was silent. In a little while, all the neighboring countries become friends. Then there was no longer a reason to fight. So, like before, the soldier did not pay attention towards the horse. So, instead of using the horse for battle, he used to carry the loads. Horse before haven't lifted the objects like this. Horse walked slowly and began to put down all the goods. Soldier got angry on the horse and started shouting it. "Can't you carry the small goods?" The soldier kept shouting until he got home. Horse returned back to its shed. The donkey told, "Did you realize how difficult the work is?" The horse realized its mistake. "Sorry, my dear. I did not really know you have suffered so much. I spoke very badly to you. I made a biggest mistake. Sorry. You are the greatest in the work you have done, and I am the greatest in my work what I am doing. We only know the best one when time comes."